Okay, guys, all kinds of aircraft, all kinds of things to eat. They said they had lumpia. These guys are enjoying their delicious ice cream. We got corn dogs and heroes, hamburgers and Philly cheesesteaks and elephant ears, and more. And whoa, never seen one of those. I've seen them not in person. That's what I'm saying. Not in the. Oh, they're moving it too right now. The Sea Beast, huh? A boat, a flying boat. I've seen them on TV and in maybe books, but never in the flesh. We got to get the name of this aircraft. That's cool. Yeah, they're towing it somewhere too.
Dad, that is cool.
Towing it in place. Look at this. Let's take a look what that is. That chocolate ice cream looks good.
Yeah, I'm just holding it.
It's melting though, how you hold it. Look at that. Oh, probably can't. Princess! Right there, folks. Princess of the Stars. Oh, that's cool how the wheel well. Yeah, it has to go on the side, of course, because it's gonna have this float that's going to land on the water, so you couldn't put it underneath unless you had it some kind of airtight, watertight. But yeah, it goes up in the side like that. That's unique. Yeah, look at that. So maybe there was a gun back there in the day. They're moving this big boy out. There we go. We got the fire guys here in case some accidents, God forbid that to happen, but you got to be prepared. Yeah, there we go. This guy, does he know what he's doing? He looks like he knows what he's doing. All right, well, they'll definitely take a look at that. Maybe try to even go inside if they let us. Maybe it's getting ready to take off, gonna fly. Do a sortie for us? Not sure, we'll find out, folks. Okay, folks, here, this is the Catalina
You can bore your dinner guests at your next
aircraft.
with this fun information. All right,
Flying boat.
Catalina is on that takeoff roll. Listen to this.
Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Look at this, guys. The flying boat is coming right at us. Sailing away.
Available for their use. Here's another great pass.
Comes the Catalina, guys. Catalina's coming in. Coming in hot.
Catalina, known as the Princess of the Stars.
Princess of the Stars.
Examples were known as the PBY-5A, and the Naval Aircraft Factory example was designated a PBY-5A as in November. Coming in from the left, another great photo opportunity of the Catalina.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
More veteran here today at the Wings Over Washington Airshow. coming in now again, giving you a good look.
This plane's responsible for sinking a U-boat off Iceland, they said.
Opposite ends of the wing to give it a balance when it goes
Right over the speaker here. Catalina's coming in for landing, folks. Here we go at the Bremerton National Airport. The flying boat.
I believe they're going to try and put the aircraft back on the static display rack so that you can get a little closer.
Oh yeah, we're going to take a look at this up close, guys. We'll take a look at it up close as it goes behind the speaker there.
As we get on with the rest of our airship program.
Here we go.
And, you don't have to leave until 5 p.m. tonight, so it gives you lots and lots of time to look at the great car show that we have here for you. I see that we've got a lot of vendors. And the second best thing at air shows, next to the flying, of course, is the air show food. I hope you left your diets at home because there's lots of great food items for you to purchase from our food binders today. There's the touchdown at the Catalina. And as they taxi by on their rollout, let's give them a huge round of applause for bringing this historical aircraft to the wings of the one of the pilots of one of the aircraft that we've got here on display. Welcome to the wings over Washington, man. So talk to us just a little bit about this Cascade Warbird. What's this program about?
Actually, the biggest.
All right, they got this Catalina parked here now. You can actually go inside, but I'm gonna wait for this line to die down to go inside. We'll come back. Got to pop inside this Catalina, see what, or I can go in the exit way. The Princess of the Stars, folks.
Remember your time with us here.
There's the pilot inside there.
That's a beauty, isn't it?
That is. The PBY, here we go. 5A Catalina, got your Princess of the Stars, a little history on it. Here we go. Scroll down, you can take a peek at that. Sank right there, Sank U-342 German U-boat, April 17, 1944. And all the excited people waiting to go inside. That's my favorite this time at this air show, is this Catalina. Because the first time I've seen it up close and personal. All right. Where's the beer garden at?